Okay, so the outline of today's presentation is that we'll start with a little update on our development progress and our timeline of our plans. Then we'll show a little general introduction to the user tools that we're showing today and take some questions on those. Then we'll look at the SESHA case study. Specifically, we'll do a demonstration of how the tools can help in both harvesting data and in building schemas. The second one, they're specifically targeting the SESHA archaeologists. Then we'll look at our line case study, and by that we mean our line partners, our technical partners, particularly in Leipzig, Oxford, and in Wolters-Kluwer, Germany, who we're just introducing them the use of our graph and ontology analysis tools. And again, in all of those things, we'll give a brief demonstration, and then we'll take questions, and hopefully we'll be able to, the software will be able to help us answer the questions, we'll be able to show you what we mean. So first of all, I just wanted to give you a brief development timeline to put all of this into context. So Dacura's development, it goes back quite a long way. I started in 2009 with some designs and experiments for a system like Dacura. I was involved in a citizen journalism publishing outfit, which I eventually came to the conclusion needed much better quality controls and much better control of the structure of data. So between 2009 and about 2011, I experimented with designs and so on. 2012 and 2013, I started to build prototypes. 2014 was a bit of a write-off because I spent most of that seeking money from the European Commission. But eventually that came good. In the 1st of February 2015, the Align project came on stream, and that was particularly important in development because Gavin Mendel-Gleeson came on board between 2015 and the May the 22nd of this year, when we completed the first version of the platform. Both of us have been working hand in hand on all of that code development. Things again have accelerated since then. The development of the user tools began at the 1st of June 2016. It's only 2 months ago today, and as anybody knows, that's a very short time in computer programming. But one of the reasons that we put so much effort into a platform development with a proper API and an engine is because on the hypothesis that this would make development much easier and faster, and we would be able to scale it much quicker by getting web developed and so on, rather than the people who had to grapple with the mathematical logic and very large triple stores. And so we have contributions from 3 new members in this code we're going to show today.
My name is Oran, and I've been working on the frames.
My name is Amanda, and I've been working on maps.
And I'm working on the notations.
The idea of Dacura is pretty simple. We help groups of people to collect high-quality data sets, no matter what type of data they want to collect. We want to give the power of data to the people. Dacura's user tools come as a browser plugin. Once it is activated, it allows the user to access all of their data collections and all of Dacura's powerful tools from within their browser, without interrupting the flow of their work. In the next section of this presentation, Gavin is going to show us the tools in action, using the SESHA use case as an example. Thanks.